Alright, another stream. Will this be a useful stream? I don't know. We are gonna try building again. As always, this time I'm gonna sleep on around 2:30 am. Right now it's 1:08 am, so we have around 1 hour 30 minutes to do a thing. So we are gonna pick up from where we left yesterday. Oof, hold on, just give me a sec. Oh damn, there are new controls in YouTube Studio now. Great. Anyways, I probably never need to use those controls. Those are monetization based controls anyways. Alright. This is the code. I must run Cloud Code now. Some people are saying that Cloud Code is not working. I just tested it a few. Yeah, I'll mark your attendance. Thank you, Abdul, for joining. You saved my day last. I mean, to be honest, yesterday I just slept after that. But yeah, you really helped me a lot to like help make the app run. And to be honest, I haven't even closed the app since then. It's just open. I didn't close it. I don't want to risk it, so it's gonna be open for a long while now. And I don't turn off. I don't shut down my laptop, so it's gonna be here for a very long time. I'm gonna go through all of that hassle again, even though I know what caused it. Alright, so what's new? Okay, so it updated. Okay, alright. So now we are in the app one. So now we are actually making the front end of it where people can purchase it. We are gonna make a very basic tutorial to get started, and then we are gonna keep ramping up. By the way, just got Perplexity Pro from Airtel. Yeah, I do also have an Airtel SIM lying around, but I already do have 2 years of Perplexity Pro. So I don't know if I'm gonna use that one. I probably might just give it away to someone, like I don't know what's the deal is. Maybe the name should be the same or something. Probably not. It's just going to be a voucher that you can add it. If that's the case, I probably just give it off to some friend or something. Like my Airtel SIM is pretty much useless. I never use it. So it's lying around in my secondary phone, which I never touch ever. Oh, my camera is perfectly fit. So my terminal is covering the right parts. Okay, perfect. So we need to be in the app one. Yeah, perfect. And here I'm gonna go ahead and create a cloud.md file because I'm gonna rely on Cloud Code a lot here. This, okay. I don't want to give any heading. This is a 10 stack start app. And just so it does not know what 10 stack start is, I want to actually give it a URL. I mean, yeah, I can simply just put it in bracket. I don't want to make it a markdown link. It might think that it's the app we are trying to build. This is supposed to be the front end web app. shadcn is a marketplace where creators, or basically developers, can can sell their shadcn themes, components or themes, sorry, to others. Okay, so I also want to give it a brief about how it works. So for example, if someone buys the component, I suggest you to use 2LM. As for now, as you are using Cloud Code, use another LLM model for the prompt. Just try to prompt another LLM and improve it and then give it to Cloud. Yeah, I might do it with ChatGPT. Just let me just go ahead and finish this, and I'm just gonna put this into ChatGPT and we can do it that way. That's actually a very good idea. I have never tried it out, but I have seen people on Twitter saying that it's a very good idea. If someone buys a component, they should be able to install it using a token. For example, if the server is hosted on server.shopcn.app. Example, they could do http bash bunex shadcn latest coding without lo-fi why commit crimes. Man, like, I am genuinely curious how to do this because I don't want to get copyright striked, you know. And I am pretty sure if I run anything else on this laptop, it's going to crash. I don't want to take that risk. I mean, I'm running some music in my headphone, but that is copyright music, so I don't want to play that on the stream itself. Lo-fi is actually usually copyright free. Yeah, I need to do some research. Like, I don't know. I mean, it might be copyright free. I simply just cannot do it right now. It's a freaking M3. It's not M3 Max. I'm using standard M1. What are you talking about, bro? HTTPS server.shopcn.app/registry/1 or something like that. And token is equal to shopcn 12345. This token will be generated on the user dashboard. This app, and this app will also support selling the components. Time for upgrade. I mean, I'm not rich. It's way too expensive. Yeah, I'm seriously considering doing that. It's just not going to be right now. November, I'm pretty sure is M4 already released? I'm not sure. M4, not BMW M4. Please don't do that. Yeah, M4 is already released. I'm pretty sure M5 is released. M5 will release in November, I'm pretty sure. And I don't find the reasoning models for upgrading the prompt useful. Use the normal non-reasoning ones or use where it's necessary. I mean, yeah, I don't find a lot of difference. They're just there for me. Like, reasoning models, for me, it's like they haven't been a deal breaker, you know, like they work, but they are not really that big of a deal. But when it comes to ChatGPT, I like 4.0. I don't think 4.0 is that trustworthy anymore for me, but it's fine, whatever. It's time for M5 in September. Yeah, either September or November. I'm pretty sure they release new MacBooks on November, and even then I need money to get that. So just I don't know. Reasoning ones take a lot of time. Yeah, they do, and they generate a lot of tokens as well. So, and they overthink sometimes. Say they might skip over, like they just overthink. I don't want to go into that. This token will be generated on the user dashboard. Should I mention demo part? No, I'll mention the demo part in the prompt itself. So I'm just gonna copy this. I'm gonna go to ChatGPT on my other monitor. I don't wanna reveal my chats. Okay, ChatGPT learns. The sidebar is already closed. Great. We will use 4.0. Is 4.5 available? No, okay, it is. Yeah. So I am using GPT 4.5 or something for a change. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and say about I need to feed this into another LLM. Make this extremely detailed. I actually forgot to tweet, that I'm live. It sucks. Hold on, just give me a sec. Live again for a bit. You should join me and watch me fail to code miserably. Let me just get the link. I don't like in the stream studio, it's so hard to get the links. It says my stream quality is poor. Great. By the way, if you are here, just make sure go ahead and like the stream. Just does a lot for my channel. I forgot to mention, like, yesterday was the best live stream ever of my entire channel. So thank you everyone for joining and showing support. It really means a lot to me. Alright, so I'm just gonna pause this now. Do I need to read all of this? Okay, hold on. Yeah, I can safely remove all of this now. Yeah, this seems. Please read, okay. It's gonna be a long read. Phew. Better auth is already configured on the server. Use better auth client here in this app for all auth related concerns. Do I need all of this right now? Nah, I don't think so. I'm not gonna implement seller thing anytime now. Like, we're just gonna implement the buyer stuff for now. I'm gonna see if it works or not. Can I comment in Markdown by any chance? Oh, I can. Really great. Do not follow the comments. Nah, we don't want to download receipts and stuff. Not. So generic unique instruction. These tokens need to be user level. Use the trpc endpoint in the server. That's why I told you to read and do you have the required MCP set up. Nah, which MCP do I need to use now? For context, I almost never use MCP. I don't think I need an MCP because I'm in a monorepo, right? It should be able to access everything else. Points in the server. I'm not really a fan of MCPs, to be honest. Context 7 or database which you are using. I have heard about Context 7. What was that? I think it was something like a upstash build. I don't think I'm gonna use it, to be honest, right now. I don't think I need it right now. Oh, so it's basically documentation as text, what, or something like that. Oh, okay. So it just helps it get the document. Okay. I mean, it's not a deal breaker right now. To be honest, I don't even know how to configure MCP in Cloud Code. I don't want to spend a lot of time on it right now. But Yeah, I might actually just make a video on this. This seems cool. Like there are 26,592 libraries. And the Next.js one, no, it does not have the most. Superbase has the most. Oh, no, no. Okay, Next.js has the, MongoDB has the most. Okay, there might be ones that have like even more. Yeah. I think this is fine for now. Like I don't need an MCP. Yeah, I'm just gonna say uh, I need to properly reference the claude.md file from the app/app/claude.md because this is in monorepo, so it's probably gonna try to fetch from the root itself. Follow these instructions and build me a home page which looks cool with a dark theme, aesthetically pleasing, modern, and no stupid gradients. It should not look AI generated and should look like a mindful design created by a top tier designer. What else? I guess that's it. I also want to install shops like BetterAuth client. I use Upright MCP or Superbase MCP for database. When I use Cursor, this helps a lot to get right knowledge of the database. Use ChatGPT to improve the prompt. I mean, it's probably gonna introduce something more. I don't need to do it, to be honest. Should I? I don't know. I think it's an overkill at this point. Just want to have a working demo, but let's see. Improve this. Do not add additional details. Just get rid of this. Oh, I cannot get rid of it. Okay, good. What's happening? Why is it lagging so much? Okay. Is there a way to control A inside this? Because I cannot find a way. This is so annoying. I mean, it just gave the same thing, but to be fair, I asked to not add additional details. I'm gonna ask it now with additional details, but no exaggerating addition. Okay, let's check the notification. Okay. Okay, this is fine. Doesn't look a lot different. It's fine. Like I don't want it top tier right away. I simply just want to make it work for now. I want to check the model, but it's fine. Sonnet is also fine. Till then, I actually want to check out BetterAuth client documentation. I forgot how to do that. Oh, so it's under BetterAuth itself. So I need to install BetterAuth here. cd apps slash app bun I better auth. Oh, okay. The shadcn is not set up right. Install needed. It does need to set up shadcn though, right? कहाँ तक पहुँचा भाई? अरे भाई क्या बताऊँ. Okay, hold on. Okay, just forget it. I'm gonna do it anyways. I mean, we are making progress, just very slow. Yeah, I mean, I don't want it to just do stupid stuff, so I actually want to review everything it does. Like what it installs. Like, okay, you know what? Just do whatever you want. What it was shift tab, right? Yeah, auto accept it. It's just do whatever you want. If you are here, make sure you go ahead and like the stream. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and stuff. Okay, oops, I actually okay, so there is a new button called as insert ad and I pressed it and I thought it would give me a confirmation or something. Okay, this is awkward. I'm sorry if people saw ads right now. Okay, damn. Yeah, shadcn wasn't even in it, which is crazy. I'm gonna do init myself. Bunex cd apps slash app bunex shadcn latest init neutral is fine. Init completed. Move forward. Okay, we just have to wait now. I'm pretty sure it's using. Okay, now it's struggling with tool calls. Like I just started it, like it should not be doing this. But okay, I'm just gonna wait and see what it does. I had a very good experience with cursor making UIs and I haven't tried it out with Cloud Code really properly, so let's wait and see. To be fair, like the cursor models were dumbed down, so this might be better than that, but we never know, so let's see. I don't want to just spin up another Cloud Code instance and do this stuff here. It's probably gonna be overkill. I don't want complete mess in the code base. And I don't want to make this a vibe coding project either, so. Okay, it's gonna be probably written mostly by AI, but I'd still wanna be able to control the code, you know. Cursor's second attempt of UI is good. Yeah, it is very good. Sometimes it's third, fourth, fifth attempt, and it by the end of the day it does generate really good ones. But okay, shopcn open. What? Monetize your what? Okay, it's trying to. It's probably just. Yeah, it needs to configure dark mode and stuff. You haven't configured. And it's broken. Look, I'm gonna go ahead and take a screenshot of this, and I'm gonna copy this and paste this here. Just a waiting game. What is this project about? So this is going to be an open source shop for your shadcn components. So if you're trying to sell your shadcn themes, components, something, you can do that, and the purchasers who purchase components from you will get a token. Like it will be a self-destruct token. Every like 5 minutes is gonna destruct, and they can use that token with shadcn CLI to download that specific component in the code base. Now again, after downloading, it's like very difficult for creators to save their things. Like pirators can like literally send that code files to others, but like that's not my concern. Like that's more of a legal problem than technical problem to me, like to be honest. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to. Okay, monetize your shadcn components. I mean, it doesn't need this. Components list to marketplace, users purchase instant. You know, don't need this. This is going to be the app site. This is not the web page. This is going to be the storefront for the open source app. This is not the web page for the project itself. Use UI from 21st dev. I don't think, like, it's fine. Like, I purchased Cloud Code to have fun with it, so they just make sure that we use the most of it. And I can, if I was working on a serious project right now, I would have went and like gotten a good UI. Like, this is not one of those. I'm pretty sure this project is gonna fizzle out as soon as I announce it. I don't want to spend a lot of time on it, or energy, or use templates, trying to make it good, just realizing it won't work finally. The reason I want to use Cloud Code, it probably could help me like just keep the theme consistent around. Okay, damn. What? I was about to. Okay, this is. Okay, this does not work, but. I'm impressed. Okay, I was gonna go ahead and build the backend and stuff out, but I wanna make this work. So I'm just gonna say make the homepage actually work. Use a mock data array for now. I will make a function to fetch everything. Add that array to state so I know what to edit. What else? Everything on the page should work. Categories, search, etc. That was looking like absolutely stunning. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, Cursor never generated this good UI for me. Like, this is one shot. This is quite literally one shot. And Abdul, I'm pretty sure this is also contributing to the fact that we use GPT 4.5. And thank you so much for that suggestion. Like, this looks really, really good. Like I would have never imagined it generates something like this. This is so damn good. Okay. You know what? I wanna also give it one more try. After this is done with the functionality, I wanna ask it to make it even better. Let's see how it does. But I'm gonna commit everything and then I'm gonna do it because I'm not sure what it's gonna do. There's like undoing with Cloud Code is a tricky thing to do. Yeah. Let's see. For now, if it works, it's really good. I'm gonna try just one time to make it even better. If it does not do it better, it's fine. This is already just way too good. And then we can just move on to the dashboard and stuff. Like I already imagine how good dashboard it's gonna create. I can look at this page all day. Does this work? Okay, this works now. Okay, damn. I mean, the search thing is going to be a little tricky to implement. I mean, I have never worked on search before, so I don't know how to implement this, but pretty sure Claude can help me do that. Because everything in the mono repo, it knows what to do, so. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and commit everything. So I'm just gonna say git add git what? app/app git rm rf dot git dot git commit, and I strongly suggest you to make the performance component card. Do you mean the performance of these things? Yeah, that is something I would do on a later stage. Like right now, the priority is to get this working so that I can make a video demo on this. But yeah, I completely get it. Like personally, if I go to a shop which is like extremely laggy, I am not using it. So yeah, I totally get it. Git commit feed. I don't even know. Like I have done a lot of stuff here, so a lot of stuff and a stunning UI. Git commit. What's the deal here? Why is it still? Okay, now it's done. Origin main. I was. Oh, not git commit, git push. Yeah, it. Sorry, that was a very bad blooper, and I would highly recommend checking out the time right now because it's 1:42 a.m. and I'm not in my right mind. And apparently, I'm not in my right mind, and I still continue to stream at this time, which is a bit sad. Now, so let me see if everything works or not. The filters don't work. I don't want filters for now anyway. Oh, okay, this works. This is absolutely stunning. I love this. Oh, so the sorting works? Oh, it works. 2 a.m. coding sessions are the best. Yeah. By the way, Torsten, just look at this. Cloud Code generated this in one go. Doing one myself right now. What are you cooking? What are you cooking? All right. Now we are gonna say, I'm gonna do a little bit of, yeah, it's pretty good. I'm surprised it's the one go. Like if I'm using cursor, it takes at least 15 attempts to make this, or it won't even make it, like. Oh damn, I absolutely love this. Secret app, right? Okay, I know. I'm gonna shut up. I don't want to hear sirens outside my house. I'm just gonna just shut up. Good luck though. Okay, I'm just gonna say, wow, this page looks absolutely stunning. Now, I want you to up the game a little and make it look even more fantastic. Just make sure you follow the rules provided before. Nah, no gradient. Okay, let me give it a benefit of the doubt. We already have committed stuff, so we should be able to roll back pretty easily. I hate gradients when AI makes it. It's absolutely bad. But I think the second iteration is not going to be that good. Like just looking at the to-do list, I think it's just going to turn into some stupid generic design, which nobody likes. If you are here in the stream, this is the third reminder. Please go ahead and make sure you like the stream. It helps my channel grow. I'm so bad at promoting my own channel. It's just sad. Yo, not unknown. How you doing? All right, it's taking a lot of time. Around 90 seconds for a single. Bro, you need to sound more thirsty when asking for subscribers. Please go ahead and hit the like button for me so that it's okay. That was bad. I'm sorry. It's never gonna happen again. That was bad. One question: how do you host monorepo? Self-host or I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. This is open source project, so I'm gonna leave it on the user to do whatever they want. Like if they want to host on Hetzner, feel free to. If they use Coolify, they can do that, or they can use AppWrite sites. That might work as well. So, okay, it's doing something. Okay, it just got rid of all the to-dos in one go. 7.8 tokens, crazy. It's still going on. Okay. Nah. I mean, there is a little bit of bug here with the padding, but for the most part, I think this looks absolutely stunning. Damn, I wouldn't have told this is made by an AI. I'm in the loss of words right now, you know? I actually want to share this. No, bro, I have the same design. Okay, now you are okay, you took away my happiness in just one message. But it's fine. I'm still happy. I'm just gonna go to Twitter. Where is Twitter? Why is Java asking for update? Remind me later. Skip this version, whatever, I don't care. Claude code generated this UI. I'm speechless. Yeah, man, feel free to send it to me. I mean, like the UI part of thing. I mean, it's still fine. Like, I haven't seen anything like this out in the wild. And even if it's not that, I mean, of course, we need to add like support for the like tags here and stuff in the backend, but like, it's just extra work. But this is too good to avoid. Okay, I'm gonna ask it to fix this. Okay, hold on. Fix this weird visual error. Okay, but what usually do, cause I am doing monorepo for the first time, I have 3 next step running, 1 node file listening to L3 event and another Boolean for. Okay, I won't pretend I don't understand half of those, but like Next.js app, you could go with anything you want, like literally just go with Vercel, AppWrite, Netlify, whatever you want. For the Node.js application, you probably need to go to somewhere like, you can self-host it, like you can literally put different parts different places. So you can self-host it on Hetzner using Coolify or something, or you can just do anything. Like I'm pretty sure Render also supports just putting your Node apps out there and just doing it that way. Or else you can just use or else you could simply just use what, I forgot what I was gonna say. Just use Coolify and just self-host everything. Not like, don't take the headache on your like. If you think you want everything in one place, that's the best option also. Sometimes it's not needed to over-optimize. If it works, don't touch it. Otherwise, there is PM2 or Docker as starting points. Hosting itself can be done quite cheap on Railway, and as soon as I hear Docker, my laptop is screaming on me, don't write. There's so many Docker projects I want to create. So like there's a lot of like, I literally want to like, long time ago, few months ago, I had this idea of like creating a hosting service as a tutorial on this video, and I just cannot because Docker just doesn't work while I'm streaming, Oh no, it didn't solve anything. It's not a background issue. Pretty sure it's a padding issue. With about hosting, like when I talk about hosting, there's so many options nowadays. It's very, which is pretty much good, but like I don't know what I feel about it. Okay, nah, it's just not solving it. You know what? I'm gonna let this slide. Only some of them are like, I can fix this manually later. Was that Clippy right there? What was Clippy right there? Do the power padding margin this kind of spacing problem by yourself? Well, I'm not going. Yeah, like at this point, I don't want to deal with this. I'm just gonna go ahead and ask it to design the sign-in page, and can do it that way. But I need to actually go ahead in the server and like should ask it to like. I can do it myself. I want a way to get all the products, so I'm just gonna go ahead and create a new. Here I'm just gonna say products index.ts. I'm gonna go to user, just copy this and do it this way. Products router. I'm gonna save this and go to oh, you know what, I forgot to comment at. You don't wanna on the screenshot, you might be too young to know Clippy. No, I am not too young to know Clippy. Okay, so the screenshot, so it might be where is the screenshot? Oops, wrong one. Oh, so you mean the tool itself? Yeah, I'm using shorter for that. This one. So I can use this one to make a screenshot with a padding. So yeah, this padding is configurable, but I need to pay for it, and I'm not going to do that. I import this. Now I can simply just go ahead here and say that what should I say? Okay, get products. It's not going to be protect, it's going to be public procedure. Query. I'm just gonna get all of these for now. I don't want to deal with loading and stuff. First of all, let me just go to yeah, somewhere that I saw him. Oh yeah, there it's the upgrade thing. So it asks you to upgrade, and that's where the Clippy shows up. I just remember that. Okay. To import this, but then I also need to actually go and think about how I'm handling, tags. How do I? Food breaks over. Good luck. Yeah, good luck to you, man. I know what's up, so I'm just gonna say good luck. All right. Do I handle categories now? That this generated some stuff, but now I need to like double down on this. It's scary. How do I deal with categories? Do I need to literally create a new JSON thing to do it? Or do I need to create another table for that? You know what, I'm not dealing with it. For now, I'm simply just gonna do db.select. I want to create something that works so desperately. Select. Is it dot from? Pretty sure it's not. Okay. From what products table? Dot where? Not where, just select. Hold on, what? I'm sleepy, I'm so sorry, like I'm messing something up really bad. Yeah, this should be products table, right? I keep messing this up a lot, always. I couldn't catch this yesterday. What am I even doing? Does Coolify support Node AP? What is Node AP? But yeah, I mean, if you're saying Node environment, like if you're saying like Node.js, yeah, it does. But I don't know what Node AP means. Does Coolify support Node app like not Express server, just simple like event listener? It can support anything as long as you can write the Docker scripts correctly, and it can do all the port and stuff for you. You don't need to worry about it. It can run anything you want. I think it doesn't even need to have like an exposed port or something. It can just run services without any problems. It's about to be 2 a.m. Just give me a sec. But I'm gonna go drink some water now. Should I go ahead and ask Cloud Code to do this? Because I know how to do it. I wanna see if it can do it properly. Just remember that I actually need to create the types. The types need to be shared between the app and the TRPC backend. I absolutely forgot it like a champ. I saw people do it before, but I don't know how to do it. So this is something I planned to ask it. So I'm just gonna say, first of all, I'm gonna set the model to auto. I want to just get rid of focus as soon as possible. Okay, so I'm gonna say, okay, now I have the TRPC server here, and I need to use the TRPC stuff on the app front end. How do I share? I'm gonna commit everything. I'm not taking risks anything here. Git add dot git commit -m feed updates to stunning UI. I don't make any sense with my commits here right now. Git push origin main. How do I share the stuff from server to my client? Set up client TRPC for me and also make the link for me. Follow best practices. Do I need to do it now? We are at 53 views. Pretty good. Right, let's just wait. I forgot to check the root. Check server TRPC setup and router. Install TRPC client dependencies in the app. Create TRPC client configuration. Oh, okay. So bun add where it is running. But where is it gonna run? The commands. The installation commands need to be run in app, not in mono repo root. Bummer that I need to tell it to do this. I mean, technically I could just put it in the mono repo, right? Better T stack would be so much beneficial. Yeah, it would be. What is it trying to do? Okay, install. I just want to see what you're doing. If it changed the package dot, okay, it ran in the correct directory. It's fine. I was about to crash out if it just changed the package.json of my root monorepo. I can also save this. I keep forgetting. I'll go to my terminal and see if the server is even running properly. No, it's not. Who we have at the server is stop error again. Oh boy, the e-pipes are back. The e-pipes are back. I can't. Is there no permanent solution for this stupid? Oh, I can't believe I'm doing this. Let's just finish it. Then I can do it. I hate this. I absolutely hate this. Okay, we do have the chat GPT still, like the log, so it's gonna be easy for this time. But I still think I need to reset my Mac. Something is definitely wrong. But I don't wanna do it. It's very, like, I have a ton of data which I don't wanna like usually, like, it's something which I cannot back up, so it's gonna be a little bit of tough decision to make. Why is it writing example files? I know how to use TRPC, just do the configuration for why. Hold on one sec. What? I didn't ask you to. Okay, I mean, it's fine, but it's just that didn't ask. Okay, hold on. If I just do something, okay, it works. Great. There's one error here. Products.create. There is no mutation. How the? I don't need an example file. Just go. Didn't ask you to make it. Okay. The next thing I wanna know how did it configure that stuff. Use TRPC. Why did you create these hooks? I don't need these. Dude, what? This is giving me Claude 3.7 Sonnet vibes all over again. Just do what you need to do and don't bother everything else. It's just the only thing I wanna. Instance. TRPC client. Or trpc.ts. Okay, it's just importing from server like that. Is that even buildable? Is it even? Is this safe to do? Just took a straightforward approach. I don't know if this is the best one. I'm confused a bit. What should I say? I am a little bit confused. Is this safe? Okay, what if I do next build? Okay, if I go to cd apps, okay, I forgot this is not Next.js, but if I do run build, does it build? I mean, the e-pipe thing is still something which is gonna eat me alive. Let me just go ahead and open that chat. I need to install all the dependencies again, just very sad. Bro, do you have Stripe access? I think I do have, but I never use it. It's just for like development purpose, but I think I had access to it before. I have a few shops which have production access. Like in India, it's on invite only, right? Yeah, it is, but I registered way before it was invite only, so that's why I still have it. Or it might not work. I don't know. It doesn't ask me for any additional documents, so it might work, and I tested it out. I'm gonna have this post and install script, in the monorepo root. RF node modules. Bun install. This is so frustrating. Why does this only happen to me? I have to go back here, the terminal, because I don't want to run it inside of. Can you work? Inventory. I did not save a few files, is that so? Everything is saved now. Okay, it's working. What about wheat? Any signs of life? Yeah, perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna ask Opus to do a big task for me. Okay, first of all, let me just go ahead and check my usage too. Like in the past few days, I haven't been coding a lot, so it should not be a lot. Like even yesterday, I didn't code anything. $57. I still haven't reached the $100 mark, which is bummer. Should have been the. I mean, 50 cents is still not bad. I would never pay this in the API. I would never. But yet I still went and paid for $100 for a Cloud Code subscription, which is crazy, I'm gonna now ask it to. First of all, I'm gonna go to the products one. Now, you know what? What does product have? Let me just see. We have ID, slug, name, description. Do you work in a job, bro? Yeah, I work at AppWrite. I work as a DevRel. Price, registry JSON. Registry JSON is something we should not be sending. Do you think that this should not be a part of this table? I think it should not, This is, I think it does not belong here. I'm just gonna cut it off from here. I'm gonna go ahead and create a new schema called as registry. Export const registry table. I don't need name and stuff here. Just need created at and the JSON thing. I think that's all. Created by, yeah, probably. Should I link this to the, yeah, I want these, but I also should probably link this product, because like the flow I'm thinking here is like the creator will actually go ahead and publish this to a website, so they will use some kind of a CLI to push the registry to a server. At that stage it will be a temporary registry storage, and after they are done with all the product filling, then it will be linked to the product. So I want to actually make it that way. This can be optional. Yeah, this way the registry won't be sent automatically. We don't want that. People should have access to registry right away. But damn, I'm still in love with this. This looks absolutely stunning. Oh. But it is way too laggy, but it probably might just be because that I'm using the, like I'm on a stream right now. It just doesn't like to work that way. Damn, our viewers dropped to 0 directly. That's crazy. Might be just YouTube bug. That's fine. I'm getting tired a little bit. It's 2:16. We have like 15 minutes left. I'll say it's decent progress. I mean, I didn't get distracted. That's what matters, you know. I'm gonna ask it to, should I ask it to do anything? Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and fetch the data. I am here, bro. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, the 0 was a bug. Now it's back to 10. Pretty good. Thank you so much for being here, man. Let's go to the app. I don't like how it fetches stuff, so I'm gonna do it myself. Was it in index.tsx? Yeah, there's all sorts of mock components. I'm gonna go ahead and just do this use memo and stuff here. Cool. I do not care about these, to be honest, but whatever, it works. It works in a performance point of view, but like React compiler is here and I don't think it's needed. Okay, so I don't like this method of doing stuff, you know. What I like to do is I actually just like to, oh hold on, I actually wanted to go ahead and build this, right? So I'm gonna go to apps/app run build. I'm gonna see if it builds. Bro, I think I will start my YouTube journey from next week. Any suggestions? What do you specialize in? What is like, what do you wanna create content most out of on? I think you should get a list of, like, if you're starting next week, make sure you go ahead and make a list of the content plan beforehand and think about what are the most basic videos you can make, and don't overthink it. Don't sit and edit it for like 50 hours. No, like, I'm gonna be brutally honest, nobody's gonna watch the videos, nobody's gonna give a single, you know what I'm talking about. Just like, don't spend a lot of time on it. The point is to post videos. The point is not to spend a lot of time on something that people are not gonna see. So I'm not trying to put you down or something. It literally happened to my own channel, but like, and people like keep asking me how do I get started with content. The thing is that if you keep editing a lot, you feel like it's a wasted effort because nobody watches your video at the end. So don't put a lot of effort. Just get started. Just try to put as many videos as you can. Quantity matters in the start. Quality can take over anytime when you think that your channel is getting a little bit of traction. I think that's the only tips I have. Just don't burn yourself out is what I'll say. Okay, so I don't like this. I think there is a get query or something like that. Query options. Yeah, there's query options. Hold on, there is no query options here. Get query options. Yeah, like what's wrong? Reject. Like I don't wanna use this use query, to be honest. Like they now recommend using query options, but trpc.ts. It should be trpc tan stack query, but it's fine. Not a deal breaker, to be honest. I have been freelancing for 2 years. I know my way around code and debugging. Do you think I can still work in a job? I am heavily focused in AI IDs like cursor these days. How's your job, bro? I mean, it completely depends on your skill level and the role you're trying to apply for. It's like at this point, like you literally cannot tell. Like the job market is completely messed up. I don't like to just talk crap about the job market. Like I don't believe in that, but it's like it's the truth. It's not really at the best place right now. So like it really depends a lot on what you're skilled at and what company needs your skill. You can try it out if you have no experience with job before. Like people have this bias. You probably just have to deal with it until somebody gives you a shot. But yeah, if you have 2 years of consistent freelance effort and you are able to show them the projects you built, you probably might have a solid chance. A little off topic, how to prevent burnout, especially when manager has been asking you to work on stupid boring stuff on title, and you are asking the wrong person for burnout. I keep burning out, I keep abandoning this YouTube channel, but I show up. I try to show up. I guess my like my key to not getting burned out on this channel is to stay in limits. Like I don't try to go above and beyond to publish. Like I know my job is important to me. It's literally what makes me money. Like nowadays the YouTube channel is also making me money, but job is what's making the main amount of money, so I don't mess with it. It's a priority. Like bad manager is something you literally cannot do anything about. You probably just need to switch up your companies or something. I am at a place where my managers are really good, and the team is really awesome, and I have been in a place where the managers are not really good. Like being in a company where the culture fit, like the culture just did not fit, and within 3 months I was out, and then I had the darkest phase of my entire life for 1 year. So I don't know. I really have the answer for it. It's a completely tricky situation. Depends on how how important your own thing is and how important your job is to you. It just depends on everyone. And yeah, I mean, I recommend evaluating the importance of everything at if you are willing to, like, are you willing to look for a new role? If you can look for a new role, I recommend doing that, unless there's something that's stopping you from doing so. But I understand if that's not an option. You probably might need to just deal with it. That probably not the answer you are might be looking for, but I don't know any better answer than that. The any vacancy for C++ developer? I am familiar with package managers like VC package, Windows development environment, Qt. Okay, I have absolutely no idea about C++ in the entire space. I am really sorry. I am much more deeper into the JavaScript ecosystem, JavaScript types or whatever you call it, and mostly DevRel video kind of spaces. So I don't know. C++, I guess C# you can say for game development. I don't know if C++ can be used for game development or not, but like I don't know companies that would hire for that. I might be wrong. Like there might be many companies that could do. Yeah. I don't know. Like there might be real use case, but like I just simply don't know. Yeah. So we have the product is loading an error. I'm gonna ask it to do it now. Like if I'm paying $100 for Cloud Code, might as well just use it, right? Yeah, but I'm gonna keep a close eye on what it's gonna do. So it's not gonna be a completely vibe coding session. I'm gonna select these and just ask this. Now use the data here to show to display on the page. Since we don't have categories support yet, there should be no categories for now here. Use your own intelligence for any decision making tasks for this task. Okay, 73 views, damn. And 15 concurrent, like 15 people are watching right now, which is crazy. I mean, project ideas, yeah, I wanna do something like that, but I don't wanna, like, I am a person who doesn't like to make content for, like placement, colleges, stuff like that. I wanna make things which are fun to build and people like to just follow it because it's fun. I don't want people to follow it because it's useful to them or something like that. I mean, feel free to do that, but it's like that's not my target audience. Like, products which have real users are good projects, yeah, and that's why I'm trying to use build the MVP or something like that, whatever you call it, and see if people actually like it. I don't wanna I mean, this is a hobby project at best, but if it's gonna be something big, I wanna see if people really want it or not. So yeah, I mean, I don't make videos on colleges and stuff because of the exact reason I do not like the entire culture around it. I don't want to target the wrong audience on my channel. It's like I don't want to be that. I like no hate to DSA, but I don't want to be a DSA guy, and I don't want to be a guy who like becomes that college kind of like person, if you know what I mean. I just want to be a cool dude. I don't know if I'm gonna be a cool dude or not, but I just want to be a fun dude, just building whatever comes in his mind and people just following if they wanna follow along the journey. No, I mean it's fine. Like you are in college. I was in college. I used to do the same stuff. It doesn't matter. It's been 1 year since I'm out of college. I've never been glad. It's fine though. Like I understand where you're coming from. Like, have you tried Kimi K2? I too like indie hacking, but everything has become too saturated. Kimi K2? No, I haven't. I probably should. But again, I need to use. Is it supported in Cursor? I don't know. I have a Cursor subscription, so technically I should be able to use it, but I don't know if Cursor support that model. Okay, loading components. I'm pretty sure we are getting some error in. Yeah, we are getting some error in. No error. It's localhost 8080. It's not. So root, is it in TRPC provider? Probably should be a 8080. Yeah, landing page. I didn't make it. It's generated by cause like Cloud Code, which I'm pretty impressed. I never thought it's gonna build such a good one, but like as Abdul is saying, it's a very normal thing for it to do. Internal, yeah, I need to push this to the database, like all the changes and stuff. I haven't done that. Bun db push. Please don't give me an e-pipe. Yeah. What's wrong? Inventory product DF cannot be implemented. Why? Oh, product ID and I. Great. Love this. I love every single part of this. Inventory. Was it a registry, right? It wasn't. It should be an integer. If I get another e-pipe, I am gonna crash out. What do you mean? I'm gonna just take it to text, I don't know. There should be auto increment to, like, what's happening? Hold on. Did I generate something stupidly wrong? Yeah, this ID should be serial. And here maybe this is serial too. No, number. I'm just gonna ask Cloud Code. I'm tired of this. Serial does not exist. What do you mean serial does not exist? What? You cannot be kidding me right now, right? Which college were you from? I was from. Do I share it? Okay, it's on my LinkedIn, anyways. I was in Ambedkar College, Nagpur for BCA. I did MCA from Raisoni. I have a lot of things I could get off my chest about my colleges. But TLDR, Ambedkar College has been a really good college for me, like supportive faculty and stuff. Cannot say the same about Raisoni, but we'll see. Yeah. Let me just go ahead and check my CC usage again. Not this. 60. Okay. If you are here and if you haven't liked the stream, make sure you do that. It really helps the channel to grow. And we are at 78 views now, which is really cool. Wow, Nagpur, nice place. I really like the Marathi accent here from Konkan. Yeah, I don't live in Nagpur anymore. I live in Pune. My hometown is Nagpur, but I wanted to live outside alone for a bit, so I'm here in Pune. Have my own office set up here and everything. Next year, I'm probably gonna go back to hometown. I don't know. I kinda like living alone, doing my stuff. Let's see. Just give me a sec. I see, I see. Is it done? No, it's about to. There's an error. What? Why are we getting create Zord input schema instead? Okay, hold on. Was there already there? No, it wasn't. Create checkout. Okay, hold on. What's going on? We have quantity, which is number. We should not be able to set the quantity. What? I don't like this. Product ID is string which is getting converted to I don't need quantity for inventory, right? Just change that. Don't need it at all. Alright, gonna try to push now. How many hours do you work as a dev on average? I do not work as a dev. I am a DevRel, developer relations engineer. So that means I create videos for app, right? You might need to. I am so done. At least in SQLite, this is so simple and not so. like if you're asking how much do I code in a week, it's probably less than how much the stream is going right now. Usually I'm just so tired after work that I probably just doze off to sleep. But yeah, at Apprite even I code examples and stuff for videos, so that counts, I guess. Came here from your Apprite video. Oh damn, that's a new thing to know. That is very very interesting to know. It's going to drop my tables, which okay, I'm gonna let it do. There should be no need to generate. I am pushing directly. Fix the schema. I don't know. Like, I'm a big fan of Drizzle. I just I don't like Prisma all that much. Like all the weird syntax they have. Like if they had it in the JavaScript itself, I would have been so glad. I feel like Prisma is a lot more complicated than it should be. And I refuse to build anything without an ORM. I'm so so addicted to them. Like type safety means a lot to me, and I don't wanna create types manually at all. Like this is the first time I'm getting any issues with Drizzle at all. Like before this, like I mean this is not even an issue, it's trying to fix something. Drizzle kit is a bit fast, so Drizzle kit. I don't know if I understand it properly. It's 240 already. Oh, yeah, I think is it okay, I need to go and push again. No chat GPT. I'm so tired. Just run bun db push the server yourself and keep fixing the errors. You are circling the errors now. Hello Abhinav, how are you doing? Oh, okay. I see now. I'm paying $100, so you should probably just find the error yourself. I'm so tired right now. I mean, probably should have used SQLite. Like, why am I even doing all of this? Do you have a Discord or Telegram group? Currently, no. Probably should create one. You know, I've been like today. I have been even just today. I thought about creating one. So let's see. Probably will create in a few days. My problem is that there are not a lot of people. You know, like I think hardly 20 people would join, and there's no meaning in just like having a server with 20 people. And I think like what like the problem with creating a Discord server is like a lot of people join for support, and even though like I want to give support, it's not possible because like it's just technically not possible for me to like go back to all of my videos and watch them and how ask them how they would have went wrong and stuff. I maintain a job as well, and I have to make these videos, so it's just very difficult. After 10k maybe, yeah, most likely, yeah, I will do that. And maybe after 10k I might open a Hindi channel. Let's see. Okay, is it done? It's gonna drop the entire. Nah, you don't know what you're doing. Just wait. Yeah, I am so sorry. My next two videos are literally dodo payments and polar usage based limits. The thing is that I almost never get time to do that. Like, you might argue that I have the time right now to do that, but it's like whenever I sit to demo that, it's such a long process. Okay, so let me just give you a breakdown. In order for me to create a demo, it's gonna be first me trying out how it works, and it's gonna be everything like setting up secrets, setting up webhooks. Then it's gonna be how to work with everything. Like, to demo it completely, it takes like half an hour for me, and then I'm gonna outline how the video is gonna do, like all the flow and stuff, what are the topics I'm gonna cover. It takes me another 20 minutes, and recording is gonna take 1 hour. Editing and publishing is gonna take like another 30 to 40 minutes. All of this for one video, and it does not, like, I want to publish video, like it's gonna be published on channel, I just cannot tell when. uh like, it's very difficult to upload videos when the stats do not align. Not saying I'm not gonna upload those. Like, this YouTube channel, literally what I have, I need to make sure that I keep posting videos. It's just gonna be like, I am slowly, not slowly, I had lost my motivation. It's kind of difficult to build it back up, but I'm doing my best, so probably gonna do it. Yeah, it's gonna take like, it takes a lot of time to record videos. I after my work, I'm like, do I need to record a video now? The reason I am going live right now is because it's just convenient. I don't need to like plan a video, then think about how the outline goes and go live. Right now I'm just live building stuff in real time, so it does not take a lot of effort for me. And I'm having fun at the same time because I get to interact with all of you. Okay, so what I need to do right now is actually go to Neon and clear my database. So let me just go and do that. I don't even know why I'm using Neon. I have been following for a long time, bro. You do make great content. I would suggest making latest models, IDs. Yeah, I am going towards that direction. You might already see some AI related videos, like news videos here and there. Not really sure if I'm a big fan of that. It's like completely changing the thing I'm doing. I don't know. Like, it might take a bit for me to get used to it, but let's see. Might just do that. Okay, hold on. Let me just drop everything. Taking a bit of a time, just hold on. Okay. 1 dB push. Okay, thank God. Now will it work? What's wrong? This is the stupid course error again. I hate this. The main problem is that you make videos on YouTube because you like the things you do, but YouTube asks user retention grabbing videos shortly if you have made videos for views. Next. Oh yeah, you're continuing a message. Okay. Maybe a project using modern tech stack would be work channel like web project Hive. Yeah, I try to keep my content modern. To be honest, I could try to keep it all like modern in the TypeScript kind of world, you know. It is working. I'm seeing growth on this channel, but let's see. My goal is like 6,000 for the end of the year. It's not gonna happen because I slacked for most of the year, but let's see. Yeah, Abdullah, I kinda agree. Like the first message you sent as like there's a gap, you know, like I want to create content which is kind of nerdy in a sense, but like people like to just have a very heavily edited retention video, you know. Yeah, I mean, I sometimes do create videos for views. So, like, if you saw the cursor pricing videos, I had no business making those videos. But then I thought that I use cursor, and I think this is a pretty bad move. So maybe I should create a video, and I created two videos on cursor pricing change. Both of them did pretty good. So it's not that I'm gonna go for completely viral things. It's gonna be a mix of that. Uh, and I'm learning a ton of video editing. Like I'm working with Dennis IV in app, right? So Dennis is really great. If you don't know Dennis, he's like over 200k subscribers on YouTube. He used to make Python content all the time, and he also works with various people like Travis C Media and stuff. And I work with him directly in app, right? So I get to learn a ton from him, and I see the learnings I get from him automatically apply on this channel, and things are improving. My motivation is being regained, so let's see how it works. Okay, so I need to fix the cause error, right? I'm pretty sure it's somewhere here in index. This is 3001, right? I just want to allow everything. Um, yeah, those videos did great. Yeah, I knew those videos would do great because I was very quick in making those videos, and those weren't scripted or anything. Like most of my videos are not scripted, but they were pretty low effort and very high rewarding videos. But now the followers you get with these sorts of videos are more useful than the followers that you will get from the views. Yeah, that is true. But to be fair, I have been keeping a very close eye on the trending videos, and to be honest, I was always on my tips on deleting those videos if something went super wrong. But I don't even get a lot of subscribers from these videos, trust me. These low effort videos, like, to be fair, I didn't ask people to subscribe at the end of the video, so people don't subscribe, and that's fine. Like, but it's like I don't want this channel to be just about complete coding all the time. Like I understand my interests might change over the next few years. Like I'm gonna be aligned towards tech for a very long time, but I don't know if it's just gonna be like hard coding all the time. I don't want this channel to be a tutorial place. I want this channel to be more about like myself, you know. Like I don't know how to the current vision is just completely unclear. I don't know. So that's why I keep making this, because I love doing this, but at some point it just gets tedious and I feel like quitting everything. But then I remember that my entire career is built using YouTube, so that's really not an option. Okay, I'm gonna bring this here. I'm gonna go back to cursor. Actually, you know, I'm gonna put this to Stripe. I don't need this. Okay, so how do I deal with scores? Deal with cores. I want to allow all origins to send requests to all routes. We have 98 views on this video live stream and 13 concurrent views. I'm sorry, 13 people are watching this live stream right now. Thank you so much everyone who is watching, and we have 8 likes, which is still great. So if you're here, if you wanna like, just feel free to do so. It helps the algorithm. I'm kind of loving this live streams, you know, like. Is it done? Can we refresh now? Connection refused. Why? Is it because of cost still? ChatGPT agent is out. Can you make a video on that? I am on ChatGPT Plus, and only a few days are remaining on that plan, and I have cancelled it. And they're gonna release they're gonna release it for Plus plan after a few days. Pro users have access to it. No way I'm gonna pay for it for a video, but let's see. I mean, if there is even something like related to developers, I might do it, but I'm not gonna buy Pro for that. Like, Cloud Code was one and all for it. I know for a fact that $200 for ChatGPT is not worth it. Cloud Code is, ChatGPT can never be. Oh, the server is not running, I guess. That explains things. How stupid am I? No components found. That's really great because we don't have a component. Now I wanna try something out. I wanna actually go ahead to, I wanna create a product, and hold on, let me just go to Ace20 UI. I wanna go to some random, I want a button. So is there a button component here? No. Okay, so I will just take the card component, go to CLI, okay, there are 3 different commands. I want something simpler, you know. What is glare card? Okay, let's try to do this. Okay, we have the glare card JSON here. I'm gonna copy this. Hold on, what am I even? Okay, I'm gonna paste this here. This is the mock thing this is, of course, we are gonna try to make this paid one. So I need to go to database. Where is it? Refresh. And first of all, we need the user, right? Okay, we don't even have a user. So we need to start from even more deeper now. We need to actually create the authentication pages and stuff. And I need Google client ID. Damn, this is so much. It's like we decided to go all in and it's forcing us to go all in. It's 3 a.m. Probably not gonna do it right now. To be honest, it's way too much for me. I'm gonna go and sleep. But the next stream, what we're gonna do, I think we still achieved bunch of things, you know. Got the better UI, made it work, of course, with the help of AI, got to chat a lot, and the functionality is working. Might need to do the sign in one. I might do some stuff offline, like not on the stream itself. So I will try to stream tomorrow as well. We will see how that works, because tomorrow will be a technically weekend will start, so I will have a lot of time. So yeah, I think that's where I draw the line. That's where I'm gonna just stop. The next thing to do would be to implement better auth client here. Also setting up Google OAuth with better auth client. I don't want to deal with email password logins. I'm just gonna deal with better auth, like sorry, not just Google sign in. Not gonna deal with email password login for now, and I'm gonna add it, and after that we can add a component, because right now I need to create a user before I can even create a product, which is I could create on server, but I want to do this. Like this just feels like I should do it later, and I'm tired now. Okay, but I kind of love that page what it generated before. Like there's nothing here, but like before it was like absolutely stunning. Okay, that's it for the stream. Thank you so much everyone for being here. Really means a lot to me. I'm super tired now. I really wish I could stream at a time where I'm not tired, and that way I could just build stuff and not be lazy like this. Like 1 hour 52 minutes, and I won't say we achieved a lot, but we achieved something. I think the UI itself is so stunning that it makes everything worth it. So yeah, that's it for the stream. I'll see you guys in the next one, probably tomorrow. If not tomorrow, next week. Let's see. Bye. I always end my videos like that, by the way, by using like this. Bye.